Namaste and welcome to another reading from Ashtavakra Gita. We saw earlier in the ensuing discourse between King Janaka and sage Ashtavakra that the great sage has pointed Janaka to complete disillusion. King Janaka comes back with 4 crisp stanzas where he states clearly that he knows that. And now King Janaka continues and goes on to describe the nature of self-realization. So chapter 7, Nature of Self-Realization. Janaka said, "In me, the shoreless ocean, the arc of universe drifts here and there, on the winds of its nature. I am not impatient. In me, the shoreless ocean, let the waves of the universe rise and fall as they will. I am neither enhanced nor diminished. In me, the shoreless ocean, the universe is imagined. I am still and formless. In this alone I abide. The self is not in objects, nor are objects in the pure and infinite self. The self is tranquil, free of attachment and desire. In this alone I abide. I am awareness alone. The world is a passing show. How can thoughts arise of acceptance or rejection, and where?" With that, we end today's reading of Chapter 7, Nature of Self-Realization from Ashtavakra Gita. Thank you. Bye-bye.